Ito na, papunta kami sa Melbourne Zoo. Dadalawin namin ang aming mga kamag-anak ko. Dahil miss na miss ko na. Gusto ko nang bisitahin ang ating kamag-anak. Ganon talaga ang shower dahil blessings yan. Kasama ko si Mama Novella. Kasama kong mga nagagandahan. Only Korean can touch her skin. And Mary, ayan. There, Mama Evelyn. Hi, Ella. Why, Ella, you are there? You should be here. Grabe English na. Hala, si Christoph talaga. Hala. Tawon. Sabi mo, are you happy, anak? And excited? Wala siya kabaloon sa ito bag. Hi, Johan. Are you excited to see your relatives in the zoo? And you also, Jim? Cherry, are you excited to see your relatives in the zoo? Amber, you're gonna miss your relatives in the zoo. Na, are you excited mo, na? You're gonna see there lots of animals na hindi lang yung animals sa bahay. A real animals na nag. Pangalan na dahil. What's your name? Ah, Ilyana. How old are you, Ilyana?
She's 4 years old like me.
Oh, same with Moana. So we're waiting the tram. There, oh, try. Christoph, are you happy? Ayan na. So nag-antay muna kami ng... Okay, line up. I-line up na to si Jemel, be. I-line up na to si Moana. Hi, Mary. So, we're already here inside the zoo. So, inside the zoo, here. Kalma kasi ang importante, naka-lipstick. Wala. Hindi man lang tayo naka-lipstick. Kailangan mag-lipstick naman na tayo. Ayan.
No, don't eat donut now. Nagitakaon na nimo.
Ha?
Lunch man di ay mo.
Maulagi. Oy, ambot na lang. Ito na. Yeah, you have to eat before you ano. Nandoon lang, Day. Ayan, kumain muna kami bago magpunta, bisitahin ang aming mga kamag-anak sa loob ng zoo. Oo, kaluwi. Ay, hala, sundan na to si elephant. Ngayon, gipanggutom sila, Day. Ang lungga, kaya gipanggutom na po sila. Oy, ang ganda, Mama. Ayan na. Go to Mama Novella. Mama Novella. Go, Mama. Ayan.
Nose onto the target. And obviously, and well-being that you get in captivity. That's a really important one to keep you nice and healthy. In the wild, we do have some before the actual talk started. So I have another talk. We got the start. Say bye. Thank you. Thanks for hanging out with us. I'm going to be going downstairs now. For those you can still hear me downstairs, you don't hear me upstairs. But I'm going to go downstairs. I will inform you all more about our response unit. Oh, we're still going? Did I get this wrong? Oh, yeah, I've moved across. Yeah. So I'll talk a bit more about the marine response unit and Bella, because Bella's story is amazing, while also explaining a bit of the training. So bye to Iha, Team Kids, give her a big old wave. Thank you, Iha. Iha's a very beautiful girl, very smart girl, and one of my favourites here at Melbourne Zoo. I'll just talk as I head on down to the bottom of the deep. So I'll see some of you there, some of you might want to keep on moving over, otherwise, see. And again,
What giraffe? See? Moana, did you see giraffe now? Ay, Jemel, take off your jacket na. You're feeling hot now. Come on na. Gisip una si Novella. Wala na. Moana, take off your... Ayan na ang mga pupunta sa zoo. Hinahanap na nila ang kanilang kamag-anak. Let's go. Going in. Ah!
I think she
So the leopard is tired because it's hot. Leopard. Ay! Bakit naman ito ang mga mukha natin? Diyos ko, mga fresh ko. You go there. Yeah, you are tired now?
Day ay na day ang leopard mura rin sa Pilipinas Leopoldo.
Ay, Jamel, wait! Okay, so they are very tired, guys, and we pay $53. $25 each, guys. And then the lion is sleeping, not entertaining me. I ask.
Good thing your once this your relative died ba the
Ah, yeah, I
chimpanzee.
saw.
I saw my nephew there.
How about my uncle?
How about your mother father? Tanawa mao din siya.
Oo, mauna, coffee day. O, pag inom dira, lala. Lala, de. Okay, let's go.
Oh, bitaw ka na.
Okay lang yung video ko yan. Pangkapoy ni, di ka sa to. Diyan naman nakita mo mga kamag-anak. Kahoy. Puro kahoy naman to balite. Worth it lang $53. Puro kahoy lang. Ito lang ibayran dahil. Kaya mga bata, ibawi rin ako. That's free.
Ba lang ba free?
Okay.
Di ba free?
Go there with him, ma'am. Hala, it's raining, man. So where's the entrance?
Where are they? Where?
Panda! Where is Panda?
It's cute. I see it. Let's go.
The one, Panda.
Let's go get that toy.
Let's go, Dad.
Let's go.
Let's go, Panda. Oh, there, the Panda. Hey, did you find the Panda?
Yes, right there. Panda. Follow us.
Where? I couldn't find it. Out there. Oh.
Can't see clearly.
I can. Without the camera, you can.
It's not a
Hello, Panda. Panda is staring at me. Panda said, who's this beautiful lady looking at me? Hello. Okay, picture with Panda. So, ayan nga yung barkada niya. Naisipan kong patalunin sila. Ayan, sabi ko, jump! Ayan, pataasan talaga sila kung sino yung mataas na talon dyan. Pag nakikita ko kung sino yung mataas tumalon dyan, parang si Christoph yata. Ayan, tumalon pa uli sila. Ay, naku, pag mga kids talaga, talagang malakas pa yung energy nila. Ayan, sige, habang bata pa, sige, enjoy while you can. Sige. Nag-i-enjoy naman yung mga anak namin nung pagpunta namin sa Melbourne Zoo. Nakakatuwa lang silang tingnan. Ayan, talaga. Aba, kami naman ng aking kaibigan na Vietnamese na si Mary, hindi rin kami nagpa-huli or nagpatalo sa aming mga anak. Kung sila ay marunong tumalon-talon, abay malakas din yung energy namin, takbo, talon, ayan, talon, let's jump. Dayan na. Woo! Run, Christoph! Ayan, takbuhan pa talaga sila. Sabi ko, sige, slow mo ko to at masunurin namin yung mga anak namin. Talaga talagang gustong-gusto rin nila na pinapatalon at pinapatakbo namin sila with slow motion. Ayan, hindi pa talaga. Sabi nila, one more please. Ako na may matyagang nag-video sa kanila in a slow motion. Ayan, nilipad ng hangin ang sombrero ng anak ko. Basta happy sila, sige lang, go ng go. Abay, isa pa nga. Aba, nako. Anak ko, yung mga mamshies. Ayan, nagsisipak-takbuhan sila. Takbo, dali, bilis. Ayan, ako, mabibigat ng aming mga katawan, guys. Hirap na kaming tumakbo at saka tumalon. Buti na lang naka-slow mo, hindi halata, di ba? Ayan, nag-i-enjoy naman din ang mga mami. Ang aking mga barkada na maiingay, magugulo. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa naman ang mga hinayupak kong barkada. Ayan, isa pa talaga sila. Ayan. Mabuti na lang yung anak ko. Ay, si Luca yata ang naka-video nito. At saka si Jimel, palitan sila. Thank you sa pag-video nyo at sa pag-slow motion effect na itatsua. Ayan. Ayan, isa pa. Abay, hindi pa talaga napagod. Gusto pa talaga ng isa pa. Hala, takbo. Dali, bilis. Bilisan nyo. Ayan na. Para hindi tayo maabutan. Dali, takbo. Maabutan tayo ng maniningil. Ay, naku, tumalon pa talaga sila. Diyos ko, hindi lang halata na nahihirapan kami sa pagtalon, guys, kasi naka-slow mo. Papunta na kami ng train station kasi nga kalalabas lang namin. Okay, we all exit the zoo. Yes, we are. We exit. Yeah, there. She's enjoying. There you are. Let's go. Going home now. A long day. It's so tiring, but it's worth it. Go home. Kids. Okay, time to go home now. Finish going to the zoo. There you are. Gikapoy ko, gihangak na. That's it. Bye. There you are. So kapoy, guys, but it's worth it lagi.
Sa G tayo.
LGBT?
Sa boto, ang boto.
Bahala ko din ako pag-argue.
Lower ground, go.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, na? You go with Mama Novela na? Risto? Go, Yuhan, go. Here lang ka, oh. Christoph John. You go, Mama Novela. Ay, Mama, doon tayo sa my prom, Mama. Praise dagang. Sige. Okay. Jamal, excuse me, did you have fun when we went to the zoo?
Yeah, I did.
That's good. Moana, did you have fun when we went to the zoo?
Yeah.
Oh. Christoph, did you have fun when we were at zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you see there?
A monkey.
Monkey? What else? Panda, what else?
See you one.
Seal, yeah. What else? You can't remember. Giraffe, that's correct, yeah. Did we see snake there? I didn't see any snake, yeah? Oh, that's it, guys. That was Thursday, October the 3rd. We went to the zoo, Melbourne Zoo, and at least our kids before end of what's that one? End of it's last week of school holiday. Kaya yun, they're enjoying so much. It's very tiring, guys, but it's worth it naman kasi it's as long as they're enjoying, our kids are enjoying. So, okay lang kahit mapagod ang mga nanay. Makita lang naming masaya ang mga anak namin kasama ang friends nila. Ayun. wala na yung pagod namin. Pero pagod talaga kami sa kakalakad kasi nga nag-commute lang kami. Sumakay kami ng train, 2 beses kami sumakay ng train yata. Tapos tram, then that's it. Daming pagod namin, pero ang mahalaga ay napasaya namin ang aming mga anak. Yun lang. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.